It's a 79 Pontiac Grand Prix. I'm trying to figure out what this noise is. It only does it when it's cold. I'm not sure if it's the oil pump or what it is. If you help me out, I appreciate it. It's got the 4.9 4-barrel carburetor in it. Can't seem to figure it out. It's driving me crazy. Please give some feedback.